Today I'm going to do a little do-it-yourself project. We have the original table for the 76 Airstream. It's a fold-out table. I'll show you how it works. It was actually bolted against the wall, and then of course it flips out for a kitchen table. This actually came out of a 76. This is the original table, as you can see. It's a fold-out. The top part actually gets bolted into the wall. It folds down, flips up, and you can see. So the problem with that is that I love the table. I hate the laminate on there. I hate it. The mechanisms still work. They're all still in really good shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely redo this table, take all the mechanisms out, but I'm going to make the top look like old style barnwood. So I have my pieces right here that I've cut out of just regular plywood. You can get the really good stuff for like, you know, 40 bucks, but this was 20 bucks for a 4x8. So we'll see what we can do. We'll see if I can kind of make this into old style barnwood. That's the goal today, and yeah, we'll see if it works. So the process of making a new piece of wood look like barn tin isn't really that difficult to do. So what you want to do is you just want to like ding it, bang it, scrape it, scratch it, put some nails in it, and you know, just really kind of screw up the surface. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do this and how it's going to turn out. Alright, so basically you can't even see anymore. I used walnut finish, and dark walnut it's called, and you can see that some of the marks I made on here can kind of show the scratches. Now what I did was, after this dried, I took 120 grit sandpaper and I just sanded it, and I tried bringing out all the lighter colors right here, because when I varnish it again, this is all gonna pop. So you want to try to sand it just flat. Don't sand it in the grooves or anything like that, but just sand it flat and try to get all the white or the tan part of the stain. From the beginning to the end of the project, it really didn't take that long to do. The biggest thing is, you know, be creative. There's really not a right or wrong way to make plywood or new pine look old. it's really the varnish that does it. And so we definitely want to go with a very dark stain in the beginning, and then maybe the lighter stain, the Provincial, was a great stain that we use. Both of those stains combined work beautifully, but it's just really a matter of, you know, drilling into the board, taking a hammer to it, taking a lighter and burning some of the edges and some of the wood and leaving that burnt mark, and then sanding that down, leaving that burnt mark there. Those are all the things that are going to really super help. And then I use polyurethane fast drying coat. It's a clear satin finish. It gives it a really nice finish, but it doesn't leave a really glossy finish. We didn't really want it very glossy at all, but we're really super happy with how it turned out. Can't wait to install it this week. We're going to be working in the Airstream all week, so really super excited to get that table in. That'll be kind of like our first finished, I guess, piece of furniture that's done, and we're really excited about that. That's really where we're going to be doing most of our live shows in our Airstream, and that's where we're going to be doing our work when we're working on the laptop, uploading videos like this, and a bunch more stuff. So we're very excited about that. But anyway, yeah, just thought I'd do a real quick do-it-yourself project on how to convert a 40-year-old fold-out table that's found in a lot of vintage Airstreams today, and how to kind of like repurpose it and make it brand new but make it look old. So anyway, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really super appreciate the love that you guys have been showing us. We have a lot more hiking and backpacking videos to come. Really super appreciate your support, and we will see you on the trail. Bye.